Gas Legends Part 2, Airsoft 4.
The crotch is open. I'm not gonna do anything. Okay?
You shoot him, I shoot you.
No, it's everybody gets here, remember?
No, I need to go back to base. What?
I'm still confused.
Alright guys, head back to base. Connor, where's my gun?
It's on the desk.
Oh, okay. I'm still confused on teams.
Free.
Who's that? Turn
Oh, shoot
down
the
for
back of the
what?
car.
Do it. Hey, here. Right down
Shoot. Hit it.
Shoot at that car.
I hit her car. Come on, Cameron.
Dude, you better get for that back. That's dead. Cameron. Doug, what do you mean? What? What do you mean, Doug?
Yeah, so those two against the one we were.
Cameron, come on.
Hunter's beautiful but ugly face.
Hey, Hunter.
Connor, you're a boy. You know what? That's just so stupid.
Huh?
Let me tell you about my experience on the front line down
What, with me spraying you down?
We were getting shot in the helmet so many times.
Yeah,
I did that.
Interview of Cameron.
Yeah, y'all, I was not letting y'all get up. Y'all go get a gun.
But when I was standing out there that whole time, you only hit me once.
I will be in Airsoft Wars, but regularly I would be, but I'm filming this one, so. Here's my beautiful mouse. I'll be following these two guys right here.
Hey, Connor, your CO2's running out.
Hey, well, I guess my CO2's running out.
This ain't white CO2. Look.
It ain't new.
How did you not tell when I had Connor go like,
Hey, Connor, that ain't neither. I got that first.
No, and then you realize it.
Because you shot me in the side.
We should put objectives.
Yeah, you should.
Shoot that thing that close.
You guys want to put
Did it hurt?
Yeah, we can put like that.
This thing's loud, too.
Hey, Daddy.
Who's daddy?
They were just cooking. Dad, Mom.
I bet that's why it's standing there. Yeah, probably. That's alright.
Put on, bro.
Watch out.
Pang,
Fun single shot.
how was the war?
Pretty good. I'm putting this thing through me.
Interview time.
What in the world? Why? I don't have my trunk out.
Josh,
I didn't even need this pistol.
what do you think the Airsoft War was like?
It was intense.
Any other words?
Nope.
What about you, Hunter Lone Wolf?
Huh?
How do you think the Airsoft War was?
It's alright.
What about you, Payne?
It's good.
What about you, wherever you are?
It was great.
Oh, dang it.
I think it was good. And now it's break time. Bye-bye. And I really didn't say anything, so like the video and subscribe. And bye.